Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to allow your contacts to see your last seen and online status on Telegram Web on your PC. This is a new update that makes managing your privacy a lot easier. So let's get started right away. First, open Telegram Web using your preferred browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Click on them. This opens up the main menu where all your settings are available. From the menu, head down and select Settings. As soon as you're in Settings, go to Privacy and Security. This section controls who can see your information and activity on Telegram. Now find the option called Last Seen and Online and click on it. Inside this section, you'll notice several visibility options. You can choose whether everyone, just your contacts, or nobody can see when you were last active on Telegram. To make your status visible only to people you know, select My Contacts. This means only those saved in your Telegram contacts list will be able to see your last seen time and know when you're online. Once you've made your selection, Telegram automatically saves the change, so there's no need to press any extra buttons or confirm anything. You can back out of settings and your new privacy preference will be active instantly. That's it. You've successfully allowed your contacts to see your last seen and online status on Telegram Web.